So here's the first step of this fennel confiting process. We have 2 bulbs of fennel with the fronds included. Remove the fronds and set them aside. We're actually going to use them as an herb to season this confit. And then once most of them are removed, pretty thinly slice the fennel bulbs so that they're between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch thick so that they cook somewhat evenly. So now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. I have a couple of large pinches of kosher salt, a couple of small pinches of sugar, and some ground black pepper. I also have 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to just smash, get out of the skins, and add them, and also add some lemon zest, being careful to remove the white pith, as that would impart too much of a bitter flavor into the fennel confit. So now I'm going to arrange the ingredients in a large baking dish, cover with some honey, and begin to incorporate some extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to fold in some rosemary sprigs and some fennel fronds, which were reserved from the cutting before. I kept adding more olive oil because I wanted to almost cover the fennel before it went into the oven. This is going to go into the oven at 275 degrees, partially covered with a lid, for about 2 hours.